Tracy from the Danbury Library, and welcome to We Readers, our weekly story time for children ages 0 to 5 and their families. For the next 5 weeks, we're going to be talking all about winter. So I hope you'll join us for some stories, songs, and fun. Right now, why don't we start with our hello song? Can you get your hands out and wave hello? Just like this. And let's sing, well, hello, everybody. Can you tap your head? Can you tap your head? Well, hello, everybody. Can you tap your head? Well, hello, everybody. Can you touch your nose? Can you touch your nose? Well, hello, everybody. Can you touch your nose? Well, hello, everybody. Can you touch your toes? Can you touch your toes? Well, hello, everybody. Can you touch your toes? Well, hello, everybody. Can you clap your hands? Can you clap your hands? Well, hello, everybody. Can you clap your hands? Great work, everybody! This week, we're going to be talking about snow. Have you ever been outside in the snow? Ooh, it is so cold, and it feels pretty soft. Do you know what snow is made of? It's made of water that crystallizes and makes little snowflakes. All of this snow is made up of snowflakes. And every single snowflake is a little bit different. Should we read a book about snow? Our first book is called Snowflakes Fall by Patricia McClellan and illustrated by Stephen Kellogg. Do you see the snow? Snowflakes fall. After the flowers are gone, snowflakes fall. Flake after flake after flake. Each one a pattern all of its own. No two are the same, and all are beautiful. Snowflakes fall to sit on gardens and evergreen trees. Can you see all the different kinds of snowflakes? On the fur of dogs and the tongues of the laughing children. No two are the same, and all are beautiful. Snowflakes fall, drift and swirl together, like the voices of children. Snowflakes fall on the winding rivers and the sandy banks. On a hilltop town, on its ancient church, on its loved library, and its familiar flagpole. When snowflakes fall at night, what's going to happen? Wailing winds may blow, and frantic icy snowflakes scratch the window glass. Branches fly, and shadows darken dreams. But then, when we wake in the morning light, surprise! The world shines! Snowflakes fall to quiet meadows, so we see the wandering prints of birds, rabbits, the bobcat at dawn. And the footprints of small red boots. And making sled paths. And when the snowflakes melt in quiet sun, They fill the chattering streams, flowing, rushing, sending drops of water up to fall as rain. On places where the snowflakes have been, where soon flowers will grow again. And when the flowers bloom, the children remember the snowflakes. And we remember the children. No two are the same, and all are beautiful. The end. Have you ever been outside when the snow is falling? I love to watch the snowflakes falling gently to the ground and whirling and twirling. Can you help me sing a song about the whirling, twirling snowflakes? Let's all stand up and we can dance like snowflakes. Snowflakes fall to the ground like this. Can you make your snowflakes fall to the ground? And when they're in the air, they might be dancing everywhere with the wind blowing them all around. Can you make your arms go all around like the wind? And blow, go like this, go. All right, are you ready to dance with me? Here we go. Dance like snowflakes in the air, in the air. Whirling, twirling snowflakes, here and there, here and there. Dance like snowflakes in the air, in the air. Whirling, twirling snowflakes, here and there, here and there. Great job, everybody! I always get excited when it starts snowing, and especially when it's the first snow of the season. Our next book is called First Snow by Nancy Vivot and pictures by Talitha Shipman. What do you like to do when it snows? Should we find out what these children like to do? Okay. There's all the clothes we have to wear. First, snow. Perky faces and scrambling feet. What are they going to look at? Snowflakes falling! What a treat! Clunky boots and funky hats. Hurry, scurry, and don't look back. Frisky puppy leads the way. Join the neighbors, shout, hooray! Silly snowman with a crooked nose. With his hat, he strikes a pose. Noisy voices, toothy grins, fearless races. And guess who wins? Snowball fight across the street. Friendly ending, wave of hands, snow fun done in Wonderland. Creamy chocolate, warm, not cold. Peaceful twilight and stories told. Drowsy dreamers, tucked in tight, they ponder snowfall. Overnight. The end. Well, before we say goodbye, why don't we make our own snowflake craft? And each one can be different because remember, no two snowflakes are exactly the same. Are you ready? Today we're going to be making a sparkly, shiny snowflake, all of our very own. You can find all the materials you'll need in your We Readers Grab and Go kit that is available at the Danbury Library. To make our snowflake, we will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strips of blue paper, a glue stick, and something to decorate, either some crayons or, if you have the kit, some sparkly snowflake stickers. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a pattern with our pieces of paper. So if you have two different colors of construction paper, you can pattern them any way that you'd like. We're going to start by making a cross or a X just like this with two of our pieces of paper. And we're going to take our glue stick and glue down the middle so they stick together, just like that. Now we're going to take another piece and we're going to cross it again. And then we're going to take another piece and we're going to cross it again, gluing down the middles. Now, if that's how you'd like your snowflake, you can leave it just like that, or you can keep adding paper to make your snowflake any size you wish. Finally, we're going to add some stickers to our snowflake to decorate it and make it a sparkly, shiny snowflake that is an individual just like you. Well, I hope you liked making your snowflakes, and I hope you'll join us next time for We Readers when we talk about snowmen. But for now, it's time to wave goodbye. Can you get your hands out and wave goodbye? Here we go. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all next week. Bye, friends, and I hope to see you soon.